This is going to be a really quick guide showing you how to link your card to your PayPal account. I was actually in the process of linking one of my cards to my PayPal account for some testing purpose. When I remembered, some of you on the channel have asked me how you can link your cards, your Visa card, especially the UBA prepaid Visa card that you get from UBA, to your account. And I'm going to show you really quickly, even though I've gone through like half of the process, but I'm just going to show you quickly so you can know how to do this yourself. So what you want to do is go over to where your name is and click on account settings, and right here you can scroll all the way down to where it says money, banks and cards. So once it opens up, you can see the first category is banks, and you can click to link a bank if that's what you're trying to do. But below you can see you can link cards, and I have a bunch of cards already, and this is the one I was trying to link, and it's unverified. I'm going to verify this card and do the last process right in front of you. But right now, let's say we're trying to link this card all over again. You would click link a new card, and now you can see you can enter in the credit or debit card number. You can select the card type and all of that information. So I'm trying to link a virtual card for testing purpose. Like I told you, I'm trying to link a card from my Trove account. On Trove, if you have a real card, it's pretty much the same thing. On Trove, I just need to click on get card details, and I'll see all of the information I need to get, the card number, the expiration date, and all of that. Once you fill in your debit or credit card number, select the card type, the expiration date and the security code. Of course, you know what this is, the 3 numbers that's behind your card. So once you fill all of this information in, you click on link card, you are going to have your card linked but unverified. So the process of verification with PayPal is going to initiate a transaction on the card to make sure that it's a real card. It's going to do a small charge, and I have been charged, and I can see that transaction. I used to have about $45 on my Trove account, so I moved some into the card after I created the virtual card, and now I have $40 on my balance. And you can see that transaction. I sent this $5 just because I knew that PayPal was going to try to charge my card, so I have to have money in the card before I can allow PayPal to try to charge my account. So also, once you click on verify on PayPal, click on edit the card. You should see something around here that says get code. So once you click on get code, then that transaction will begin for PayPal to verify your account. So if you have the UBA card or any card that you have, make sure that you have some amount of money, at least $5 in the card, so that PayPal can try to charge the card and do this test. And in the process of charging the card, they're going to send you a code, something like this, and that's the code for me. So 4041. So if I go back to my PayPal cards if I go back home, there is a notification right on top of my PayPal account that says confirm your debit or credit card to complete verification and remove the preset limits on your account. So I'll click on see details, and I will proceed to click on enter the code to confirm your card. So I'm going to click that. And take note that I got this virtually because this is a virtual account, and but you can get this in any form. It could come in form of emails if you get your notifications via email. It could also be via text message, but just look out for this kind of message on email, on text, or if it's a virtual card like this. But somehow you're going to get this notification, however you get notification for the card that you're trying to link. So so I'm going to go back to PayPal now, and as you can see, we have this thing telling us how the sample card statement will be. So you can see it says PP asterisk here, and then 4-digit numbers. So that's what we're going to enter in, and you can see we charged you $1.95, and that's exactly what I was charged. If you see here, $1.95. So this is just correct. Now that I've entered in that code, sorry to double check because I can be a bit forgetful. Yes, 4041, and I click on confirm. And as you can see, I nicknamed this. You can change the names of your card so that you know what each card is for. So I nicknamed this Trove card, and you can see it says your Trove card has been confirmed. So if I click on done, and you can see everything here is cleared up. And if I X out of this and go back to my home page, so for some reason I'm still seeing this notification on my account, but let's just go back to bank and cards and see if we still are unverified with the card. So go back to money, banks and cards. So if we go down, you see now that the message here that said unverified before now actually has gone away. So that's how you link a card to your PayPal account. For some reason, I don't know, maybe it will take a while for that notification to go away, but my account has no issues right now. Oh yeah, it's gone away now, you can see. So that's how you link and verify your cards in PayPal. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.